Hi, I'm Aaron from Ford Know-How. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a walkthrough video on the new Tourneo Titanium X. The Titanium X is available in 6 colors. The no cost option is the frozen white. The van I'm going to be showing you in today's video is finished in this beautiful moon dust silver. The front of the vehicle you will see will have a unique grille with chrome accents. Below the Ford grille you can see is the built-in front camera for the 360 camera. You also do get body color bumpers to match the color that you pick with your Tourneo Titanium X, as well as your front parking sensors and your radar system. The only engine variant available is the 2-litre turbocharged diesel with 125 kilowatts and 390 newton meters of torque. The standard headlights on this car are the Ford LED headlights with the daytime running lights. The rims on this Tourneo are the charcoal grey 17-inch rim. You can also option on a 19-inch alloy. On the side of the vehicle, you can see the color-coded mirror caps as well as the camera, again for the 360 camera built in underneath the cap. The door handles on the Tourneo are also body-colored, built in with the keyless entry and lock. The diesel filler is located at the passenger door as well as your AdBlue fuel cap. The rear door on the Tourneo is also electric with keyless entry. The back of the glass is a limousine style privacy glass. You can also see the built-in window that opens to let some air in to a small degree. The back of the Titanium X is a pretty minimalistic look. You have the black Tourneo badging as well as the black stripping throughout the bottom here. You can see the reverse camera that will also act as the rear camera for the 360. Color-coded bumper with your built-in parking sensors. The rear lift gate is a manual pull. Once open, you can see these ginormous gas struts. The rear tail lights are also a unique LED style. Moving to the rear of the van, you can see the rear seats are a 70 and 30 split. These seats are also still built on the rails for easy maneuverability. One of the many 108 combinations you can do with these chairs are the folded down for extra storage. Moving to the right hand side of the tailgate area, you can see you've got a 12-volt socket. Above that is your loading light button. Above that light button you will see a vent. This is only going to be taken off when mechanics need to access certain components in the back of the vehicle. On the other side of the vehicle you can see down the bottom is a speaker. That's part of the 14 speaker system, which I will touch on shortly. The rear of the vehicle is also going to feature these really handy tie-down points so your cargo will always be secure. Moving to the back of the vehicle, the seat combinations back here are almost endless. There's 108 possibilities from 6 seats to 3 to 2 to 1 to 0. So you can fit lots of luggage in, your surfboards or the entire school pickup. In the rear of the vehicle, you will have your reading light with the small vent next to it. These small vents do create quite a lot of cooling and heating for such a small little unit. Below that, you have your phone holder as well as a cup holder next to it. Down below near the door, you'll have your 2 USB points as well. Below the rear seats, you'll see the grab handle to slide forward and back. Below that is the 2 drawers for storage. These have a 1 kilogram max. The middle seat closest to the driver's side will have the coffee table set up with your cup holders and your storage so nothing will fall off whilst driving. Below the middle seat, you're also going to have yet again another storage container. The outside seats are also fitted with the heating and cooling, and the button is located below the seat. On the roof, you have your heating and cooling buttons located for the rear. These are very easy to access for the driver if your passengers are sitting at the very end of the van. The rear of the van is fitted with this fixed panoramic glass roof. It is UV rated, so the passengers in the rear on a very, very hot day still remain nice and cool. The sliding doors on the Tourneo are completely electric. They can be opened from the inside with a pull of a button. The driver can control the child lock from the driver's seat with the push of a button. Even when this child lock is off, these doors can't be opened when the vehicle is in motion for an extra safety feature. The side electric sliding doors can also be closed from the key fob with a simple double press. In the bottom of the center dash, you have your wireless phone charger. It is quite large, but there are 2 grooves to hold most phones in the correct position for the wireless charger to be working whilst driving. Above that, you have your 12-volt as well as your 2 USB points. Moving up, you get your bread baskets, cup holders. Next to that, there is a little storage for either your keys or some other small little coins. If you do take the top rubber out, there is some mounting points for accessories. Above that, you'll see your electronic handbrake push and pull buttons. On the left-hand side, there are buttons to open the rear sliding doors as well as lock the doors so they can't be opened when stationary. In the middle, you'll see the normal hazard button. To the right of that, you'll see all the different drive modes built into the car, as well as all of your driver assist buttons. This is where the auto hold function will be, as well as the iStop. Next to that is the navigate to parking. This will bring up the Ford map and show you where parking is close by. Your max demister, and then the cameras outside the vehicle so you can see what's in front or behind you. On the steering wheel, you'll see all the familiar buttons. The left-hand side is all your cruise control, your adaptive cruise control, as well as the lane keep assist with your volume buttons and your button to activate the car assistant or your phone assistant when connected. On the right-hand side are all the buttons to change the computers and the systems that come up on the dash. You can customize this to have whatever info you need up there for your driving styles. The steering wheel does periscope and go up and down. It also has the flat bottom to make getting in and out of the vehicle as easy as possible. Looking at the passenger side of the vehicle, there is a dual glove box setup. This top one is quite deep for all of your belongings. There's also 2 USB points located on the left-hand side. Below that is your normal lockable glove box. This will have things like your owner's manual and your service books. The seats in the Tourneo are an artificial leather with this nice cross finish. The armrests on the vehicle are also adjustable and ratchet into position so you're always comfortable. The passenger seat also gets all the same functions as the driver's seat. It is a 10-way power function with lumbar support. Both the driver and passenger seats are heated as well. The new Transit Custom and Tourneo have the shift on the column now, which creates this really nice walk-through for easy access for both sides of the vehicle. Moving into the center screen, it is a 13-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You'll see on the home screen all of your normal safety features that you've learned to love across the Ford range. Down the bottom of this center screen, you'll see all of your heated seats for the front, as well as the buttons for the tri-zone aircon controls. In this button down the bottom, you'll be able to control where you want the air coming from for the driver and passenger, as well as all the rear aircon controls are also on this screen. The rear buttons can be locked out with a push of a button. The drive modes are your normal, eco, slippery, and your tow and haul. On the Tourneo, on this camera button, you can go through and see the front-facing camera as well as the 360 camera. The reverse camera, which will come up automatically when you go into reverse in the vehicle. You also get a panoramic front, so you can make sure you're not going to hit anything on the sides. The front-facing camera will also come up when you get close to a bollard or another car as a safety feature when the front parking sensors go off. The Titanium X has one of the best sound systems I've heard. It is a 14-speaker B&O sound system. The speakers located next to the driver's knees, as well as 3 in the front and 1 and down near the passenger knee as well. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching the video on the new Tourneo Titanium X.